Hello, bass players. Today we're going to work on learning how to play the 1-octave B melodic minor scale on the bass. So remember, the melodic minor scale has some different notes going up and going down. Our key signature for B minor is the same as D major, so two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. And the changed notes that you raise for the ascending scale are G sharp and A sharp. So we never have D sharp in this one. That would be in B major, but it is not in B minor. But ascending the scale, we do have 4 sharps. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. We're going to start with first finger on the A string, B, C sharp, open D, first finger, fourth finger, F sharp. Now you're going to go to half position for G sharp. Now you're going to pivot shift up to first position and do second finger for A sharp. And then fourth finger is B. Going down, you don't have A sharp or G sharp, so you go from B to first finger, first position, A, open G, and then F sharp, first finger, E, D, fourth finger, and then first finger. Let's go ahead and try that with a beat. Let's go 2 beats per note. 2, 3, 4. Good, so make sure that you're really listening carefully to how the minor scale sounds and making sure that we remember to go back to half position and then first position. So just a little bit of shifting in this one, but as long as you're methodical about the fingering, it shouldn't be too challenging. Good luck with B minor.